I was diagnosed with cancer in my liver. Started to do chemotherapy, but he actually put me in a way that was more like a vegetable than a person. It's best thing I've done. Best thing I've done, because now I can feel energetic. I can feel that I can do my normal stuff or day-to-day stuff, which I wasn't capable when I was on chemotherapy. My sister-in-law that has a friend that was here a few months before, but in her case she had the cancer all over her body. And after she came here and I saw her where I live, and I was like, how is it possible? Because it was like me down and she was like, nothing happened. I wanna thank everybody in the clinic, because they were amazing, and especially all the people that helped me to fulfill and come in here and to this, because I recommend to everybody that
Fine. Okay. Just breathe. It's fine.
I recommend anyone in my situation to come to the clinic, because this is the best thing you can do. And especially coming from my heart, thank you everyone in the company that I work for, which is Dalehead, and family, friends, everyone that helped to me to come here and get better. Thank you, everyone.
Perfect.
I'm proud of you. Great.
Yeah, if you have the chance and you have the opportunity, please come.